see now that the circumstances of one's birth are irrelevant. It is what you do with the gift of life that determines who you are.
I want it all, that's what you had. I'm in my bed, I'm in my bed, I'm in my bed. That nigga getting flashed, stepping, we just gon' get on your head. I just want venom, I won't get a bag. I wanna rob, but I don't got a band. Step 1, you just gotta get in your bed. Step 2, do anything that you want to. Step 3, go ahead and buy the whole store. Step 4, throw the whole store on their head. No smoke, if they not talk about cash. I'm up, nigga, I went got a band. You up, niggas stop talk about that man. If you talk about that drum, then that put it on your ass. Yeah, try it. Why did you try it? I'm ride, nigga, I'm riding. Yeah, rock band. Yeah, 5 band, nigga hit for 5 bands. Whoa, for nigga better not try again. I don't know what to choose if it's her or her friend. I don't know what to do, so my feet in the sand. I had my feet in these shoes for you had a little man. If I can't get to you, then I'm robbing your man. Sir, I say man, walk, go from the top, yeah, big in me top, cause nigga I rock, bands,
Don't need nobody, don't you know my back. Turn them up, that's why I'm. Turn me up, don't know what hit. Laughing in there, and that's my jack. They don't know what I got, tell them my jack. They don't know how much I spent on this jack. Using my sauce, and nigga you hit. I turn the bag, chill like a hat. Turn up the bag, you ain't high. Throw me bacon, new way swag. Throw me bacon, new way swag. Throw me bacon, new way swag. Rock. I'm in a rock band.